Hi fam, Autumn here. On this channel, we whine and DIY. But today's going to be a little different. Today, I'm doing my first vlog, and I'm packing! So, no DIYs today because my fiance has tasked me to pack up my entire craft closet. He actually told me I had to get rid of some stuff, but we won't be doing that. I would rather get rid of him. No, just kidding. But that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So let's get packing then. So here is my craft closet right behind me. It also holds all of our board games and our extra blankets and pillowcases that we have. And this is what I'm gonna be tackling today. Hopefully I can get it all done today, but with packing, everybody knows how it goes. It's like, no one likes packing, right? So hopefully I can get this all done today and have one whole closet done so we can continue on with the rest of the house. So I started to decide to pack everything from the bottom and then work my way up, since a lot of the board games are up top and they're already in box shape, I guess. So it's really unorganized, although I tried to organize it. If you can see, unorganized and then kinda organized. But my goal when we move is to get more bins and like relabel them and get this all like completely reorganized and restructured, because the kids actually really like to craft a lot and they're constantly going in and out and grabbing things. So I want to make it easier for them also. But for packing wise, I'm just throwing stuff in boxes because I'm gonna organize it all when we get to the new house. So I had to take a pause from packing to go grab a glass of wine. If you are new to this channel, then I like to whine and DIY, but since this is my first vlog, because I'm packing my crafting closet, I decided to whine and pack instead. Don't forget to subscribe down there so you can see my DIYs that come out. All of this stuff is just like thrown everywhere. So much stuff from DIYing. So I'm just putting, this was from my plant video. Pick these up, baskets up. Don't know what I'm doing with that yet. Empty box. Don't know what's in here, but we will, don't know what's in this, but we're gonna pack it and find out later. Got a mat. This is for my next IG video, so I'm excited about that. That actually gets real nice and some random flowers. Maybe I should, you know what, let's just keep these all in the bag. I literally have so much ribbon. So much ribbon. Like, oh my god. So much ribbon. I have 2 bins of ribbons, this whole bag of ribbons, and then like half of the shelf has ribbons in it, and I just don't know how to organize them. I guess I can figure out when we go to the new place of how to organize this ribbon craziness that I have going on. If you guys have any tips or tricks to organizing ribbon, put that down in the comments below, because I'm really looking for some ideas. I've been looking on Pinterest forever, and I see like a whole like things that you can like hang them from, like, you know, like from your doors and stuff. I don't know if the house has doors like that to do that. I just don't know what to do with all the ribbon. And they don't fit in all the bins. So, give me those comments on those tips and those little tricks or ideas that you have.
She kept quiet, they kept beating her. They feel sad for her, but in order.
All of my paints. I think I'm just gonna carry it over in this, because it'd be pointless to pack this when it's already in a box. So hard to, I feel like it's been so hard to find boxes with the whole quarantine going on and the social distancing, because normally we would go to one of the stores, you know, late at night, like at 1 a.m. or 2, because that's when they're going to be stocking, and we just grab all these boxes. But now that all the stores are closing at like 8, it's been hard to figure out when to go get boxes, and I don't want to just run out, you know, every single day. You know, we try to grocery shop once a week or once for 2 weeks. So finding boxes has been so difficult. So like we're having to do with like what we have with these like little boxes. I think we're gonna end up having to buy boxes, which sucks spending money on boxes. It does, it really sucks. But we're gonna try to use all of the small boxes that we found and go from there. Hopefully on my next grocery shopping trip I find more boxes. But if not, we will buy some. Ugh. Oops. Obviously can't pack those.
This will never last. Your words come out so soothing that I forget that this thing is confusing. Having such a blast.
So I have packed all of the boxes that I have over here, but now all I have left is the board games and the blankets. And I don't have boxes big enough to fit all the board games. So I'm debating whether or not I should pack the board games into boxes, because they're already in boxes, but if I should just carry them all over and then put them in the closets there, or if I should then go find bigger boxes or end up buying bigger boxes like I was saying. So that's where I'm at. And plus all of these, I have tons of stuff in containers already, so I'm also debating whether or not to pack the containers in boxes, because like I said, we just don't have a lot of boxes, and I'm trying to not use as many boxes. So I'm kind of stuck in a place. So I'm going to pause for the night while I think about what to do. I got a lot of the bottom done that would fit in boxes, which is really good. And then I'm going to continue and pick up tomorrow. Tomorrow is like a really big packing day for us. So we'll see what that looks like. But so far so good. I've thrown some stuff away. I know I said I wasn't going to, but there was some stuff that was just pointless to even keep. But yeah, I don't know what else to do. Like I said, I'm stuck for the night. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you can't tell, I'm like really super nervous because it's my first vlog. So I hope you guys love it. I'm hoping to vlog more in the future. Bring you guys more into my life on top of my DIYing. But yeah, that's where I'm at. I hope you guys have a great night or a great day. I hope you guys are staying safe and you're doing your social distancing so we can get back to normal life. But if you guys have not seen any of my DIYs and this is your first time coming to this channel, then you should definitely check out my latest DIY video where I made some wall decor. It was really super simple and easy and really fun to make, and it adds a cute touch to your wall. And if you're loving this and you love this vlog, make sure you like and don't forget to subscribe. You guys have a good night. Bye!